Very good afternoon. This is Hartaj from Ncaacademy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be recording now sections to it, discussing how to do different papers, different parts of the paper itself. So the first thing that I'm going to do is help you solve the mathematics section. Let me just go through it now quickly and help you solve the first 20 questions. The set that I have is set D. So I'm just going to go through it and I explain the entire thing to you. So without wasting much time, let's just go through it quickly. This is the first question that we have, which is 1 plus half plus so and so. अगर हम बात करेंगे divided by 8 होना चाहिए 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 जो यहाँ से स्टार्ट होएगा उसमें सारों में 2 और 4 आएगा तो 8 से डिविजिबल है तो बचा क्या ये 3 sections 1 plus 2 plus 6 that's 9 9 divided by 8 what's my remainder 1 the angle made by a sector having 1/6 area of the semicircle में 180 डिग्रीज होते हैं उसका 1/6 एरिया कितना हो जाएगा 30 degrees. That's it. The angle in degrees made by a sector having 1/6 the area. Which of the following of the first 5 multiples of the number form 11 this? Okay, average पूछा है हमें 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है 2 से करना है 3 से करना है we have to multiply by 4 we have to multiply by 5 so when we multiply by 1 11 and 20 would come the first and the last 31 divided by 2, the average is 15.5. When we multiply by 2, 22, and the last digit would be 40. 62 divided by 2, if we say it, the average would be 31. Third one, 3 se multiply, 33 and 60. 93 divided by 2, what's my average? 46.5. Like this, two more numbers are going to come. And this number in the center would be the centrist number. So the answer is 46.5. The average of 4 numbers, let's say 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 20, 70. 70 divided by 4 is 17.5. If ABC are 3 different numbers such that, let's say 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 1 into 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 6, and the average of A plus B plus C would be 2, not 3. So the second statement is wrong, the first statement is correct. The present ages of x is to y is equal to y is to z. एंड आपको पता है y की एज 15 गिवन है और हमें पता है x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इज इक्वल टू हम ऑप्शन दे लेते हैं अगर 49 है 49 माइनस 15 वुड मेक इट 34 अगर हम करें सपोज मैं 34 को सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ 9:15 इज इक्वल टू 15 by 24 25 so the ratio becomes 3:5 so what is x plus z 34 which justifies this equation so the answer is this. The value of x, I'm just telling you, is 9 and value of z is 25. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2. This is possible when x is 1. 1 plus 1 upon 1 is equal to 2. 1 raised to power 32 plus 1 upon 1 raised to power 32. 1 plus 1 would make it 2. That's your answer. A shopkeeper sold a product at 30% loss. That's make it 70. He had sold it at 10% profit. It's 110%. दोनों में difference है 40% is equal to 150. 80% is 100. Oh, sorry, 80% would be 300 or 100% would become 375. That's your answer. Next question, A plus B plus C. A can finish a piece of work in 20, B can do it in 25, and C can do it in 30 days. That's the question that we have. A can do it in so and so and so and so. So in my case, how do I do it? I take LCM. So that's 5 into 4, that's 20. 20 into 3 would make it 5 into 4 would make it 25 into 4 would make it 100. 100 would make it 300. So the efficiency of A is 15. B efficiency would come out to be 12. And C efficiency would come out to be 10. They start working together, but A quits after working for 3 days. So they're all working for 3 days. So 37 into 3, how much work is done? 111. Out of 300, how much is remaining? 189. In how many days? Because who leaves? B leaves. So A and C is going to do. So who's going to leave? B quits after working for 3 days. So who's going to do it? A and C. So 25 से किया हमने करेंगे 25 7s are 175 14 plus 3 10 1 by 14 days is your answer. 2 taps. A can fill a tank in 20 minutes. B can fill it in 15 and C can empty it in 6. What's my LCM? 300 15 20. Let me just solve it up. Sorry, the LCM would now be 60. So 60 minutes total work. A's efficiency, 60 divided by 20, that's 3 units, 4 and 10 units. My purpose of doing it with pace is just to tell you how you can do this question, provided you've done your practices well. After two taps, A and B can fill the tank in 5 minutes. A plus B, 5 minutes. 7 fives are 35. So 35 is tank is filled. Now C is empty. C is now going to start. C is the one which is empty. So 3 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 2 makes it 3. So how much time will it take? 11, 2 by 3 minutes is your time to empty the tank. So we did now 9 questions. Now let's do the 10th. A and B start the same time to reach a direction. B travels at 5/5 of A speed. So B speed is equal to A speed 5 by 7. That means A speed by B speed is equal to 7 by 5. That means if A's is 7, B's is 5. So time taken would be reciprocal. Time taken by A and time taken by B is 5 by 7. It's given A speed and reaches the destination 80 minutes after this. So 2 parts is equal to 80 minutes because 1 hour 20 minutes can be written as 80. So 1 part is 40 minutes. So total time taken by B is 7 parts. 7 comes out to be 280 minutes. 280 minutes would become 4 hours 40 minutes. That's your answer. Next, the price was hike in petrol by 12%. Now, how much percentage should the person decrease his petrol consumption? So दोनों केस में प्राइस ऑफ कंजम्पशन को हम 100 मान लेते हैं बिकॉज डायरेक्ट वो उससे आंसर निकल जाएगा. आपका प्राइस भी 100 है, कंजम्पशन भी 100 है. आपकी प्राइस इंक्रीज होगी 12%, 112 into x. So we cancel it. 50, 56, 25, 28, 2500 divided by 28. इसको सॉल्व किया 28 एजा करेंगे तो आपके पास आ जाएगा. You'll have here 28, 280, 280 minus 30, 252. So what's left is basically 260. This would be 89 point something. 89 point something. अब आपकी नई consumption होगी 100 में से 89 करेंगे तो 10 point something आंसर आएगा. That's option number C. 19, so and so. We take 19 common. A plus B plus C is 437. So A plus B plus C would come out to be 23. The number is 3. So when we divide this, this becomes 7.6666. That's your answer. Out of the 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many 2-digit numbers can be found without repetition? We have a 2-digit number. This is repeated 6 times, this is repeated 5 times, so answer is 30. Because, why did I multiply by 5? Because the next number is not going to be repeated. I can fill it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If I fill it 1, I cannot fill 1. I can only fill the remaining 5s. Now let's start with this question, question number 14. The train is traveling at the speed of 60 kilometers per hour and it crosses a platform in time of 20 seconds. So let me just do the 2 cases here for you. This in the series, we marked it wrong because I was just, there's some errors while we are filling it up. So there's an error that we marked in the answer key, but I'll give you the answer. The answer is Charlie for it. Okay, this is a train. Speed of train is 60. Length of platform is not given. Length of train is not given. But what's given in this time in which it passes, it is 20 seconds. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is length of train plus length of platform. Speed is 60 into 5 by 18. Time taken is 20 seconds. That gives us length of train plus length of platform. Second is a man walking in the same direction. A man is going in the same direction. Speed would reduce. It will become 54. Time taken to cross man is 12 seconds. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is speed into time, which gives us length of train. That is 54 into 5 by 18 into 12. We cancel this 3 into 15 into this. This would become 180. Let's solve it up. We cancel by 6. 10 by 3. This becomes 1000 by 3. That is 333.33 minus 180. Make it 153.33. Now let's start with the next question. That is 15th. Again, as I said, I've marked it wrong in the series because small errors keep on cropping up, but I'll give the right answer for everything. Now let's go on with question number 15. A invest 1/6. So B invest 1/3, whereas C invest the remaining part of the duration. So remaining is 1 minus 1/6 minus 1 by 1/3 plus 1 by 1/3. So the LCM is 6. This becomes 3 by 6 minus this. That is 1 minus half. So C invests half. So let A ratio, B ratio, C investment ratio is 1:6, is to 1:3, is to 1:2. We simplify it, it will become 1:2:3. A is investing 1 rupee, B is investing 2 rupees, whereas C is investing 3 rupees. 1/6 of the tenure means 2 months, 1/3 of the tenure means 4 months, but the remaining period is 12. If we solve it, this becomes 2:8:36. 1:4:18. So this becomes 23. We cancel by 23. One part becomes 2 lakhs. He says she share. This would be 18 into 2 lakhs. That is 36 lakhs is your answer. Next question, question number 16. A plus B, sum of ages is 22. And the product of their ages 2 years back. 2 साल अगर दोनों पीछे जाएंगे, उनकी combined age हो जाएगी 18, because दोनों 2 साल पीछे गए. उनका product of ages हो गया 7 into 11. That makes it 77, which is 7 plus 11 is also 18. So difference of age कितना हो गया? 4 years. I hope ये simple question था, आपसे हो गया हो. Question number 17 पे आ जाते हैं हम. एक शॉपकीपर है, 2 बुक्स को मार्क करता है A और B. The item price of cost price of book B is twice that of A. A को 100 मान लेते हैं, B को 200 मान लेते हैं. The shopkeeper sells item A at 10% profit, 10 piece. B at 20% profit, 40. Total profit कितना हो गया? 50 कितने पे हुआ? Cost price 300. What's your answer? 16.66%. So that's your answer. Now let's move on to question number 18 for you. Out of class of 100 students, 25 play at least cricket, 15 play at least hockey, 12 play hockey and this, and 10 play all three. We are going to mark this later. Why? The number of students playing cricket, football and hockey are 50. Suppose cricket खेलने वाले आपके पास students है 50. So let me draw a circle for the same. This is cricket and 50. The next we have the people students playing football is 37, and the students playing hockey is 22. Ten are playing all three, that's already given. This is my 10 students playing all three. अब इस स्टेटमेंट पे आते हैं 25 प्ले एटलीस्ट क्रिकेट एंड फुटबॉल. एटलीस्ट मतलब है 2 और 3, लेकिन प्ले मिनिमम 2 तो खेलते हैं, उससे ज्यादा खेल सकते हैं. दैट इज क्रिकेट एंड फुटबॉल. दैट इज 25. 10 तो दोनों में आ गए, तो यहाँ पे कितना बच जाएगा? 25 minus 10, दैट वुड बी 15, जो सिर्फ क्रिकेट एंड फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. 15 प्ले एटलीस्ट हॉकी, क्रिकेट एंड हॉकी. क्रिकेट एंड हॉकी के 10 तो हो गए इसमें से, और 5 रह जाएंगे. तो ये वाला जो ब्रैकेट है आपका, ये 5 है. नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट आया आपका 12 प्ले एटलीस्ट फुटबॉल एंड हॉकी. फुटबॉल एंड हॉकी का अगर ब्रैकेट करें, ये 12 का है, तो 2 आ जाएगा जो फुटबॉल एंड हॉकी खेलते हैं. The number of students who do not play any of the three sports, any of the three sports. अब पहले तो 50 में से निकालते हैं. 50 क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, 50 minus 15, 35. 35 minus 10, 25. 25 minus 5 would make it 20 play only cricket. हॉकी खेलने वाले की बात करें, 12 minus 15 कितना हो जाएगा? हॉकी खेलने वाले अकेले 7. फुटबॉल खेलने वाले 15. 25 plus 2, that makes it 27. minus 27 कितना हो जाएगा? 10. अब इंडिविजुअल स्पोर्ट्स वाले हैं 20 plus 10 plus 7, that is 37. 10 खेलते हैं दोनों स्पोर्ट्स, that makes it तीनों स्पोर्ट्स 47. 2 स्पोर्ट्स खेलने वाले हैं 15 plus 5 20 plus 2 22. अगर हम इसकी बात करें, दिस वुड बी वन सेकेंड 20 plus 10, और ये आपका आ गया 10 15 and 2 7. So this is 5. Sorry, this is where the mistake I made. Because if you look at it, this is 5, this is 10, 15, and this is 2, 17. So 22 minus 17 would make it 5. That's where I did wrong. 20 plus 5, 25, 35, plus 10, 45, plus 22, 7, 67 are the people playing sports. अगर हम बात करें, because हम बात करें इंडिविजुअल खेलने वाले कितने थे आपके पास? 35. 2 स्पोर्ट्स खेलने वाले कितने थे? 15 plus 5, 20, plus 22. That makes it 57, or 10 तीनों, that makes it 67. 100 minus 67 would make it 33. That is your answer, 18A. Again, something that was marked wrong in the series, so you can just correct it out. A group of 5 people consisting of a couple are to be seated on a round table for a meeting. They're sitting around round table for a meeting. 5 लोग हैं, उनमें से एक couple है. What is the total number of ways in which the seating arrangement can be made so that the couple do not sit next to each other? सबसे पहले तो इसको नंबर ऑफ वेज कितना है आपके पास, 24 वेज से आप फिल कर सकते हो. डिवाइडेड बाय 2 क्यों करूंगा, बिकॉज कपल को कभी नहीं बैठना साथ में, तो आपके ये जो केसेस हैं वो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. सो आंसर वुड कम आउट टू बी 12. दैट्स योर आंसर. ओके, अ फेयर कॉइन इज कॉस्ट 3 टाइम्स. अगर एक कॉइन को उछालते टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 3 would become 8. What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? 2 heads आने के तरीके हैं head head tail 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 head head और head tail head. So 3 ways of getting at least 2 head, exactly 2 heads. So the answer is 3 by 8. So this was the 20 questions of mathematics. I hope they were pretty easy, and I hope I've just gone through pretty fast so that to explain to you this paper, you can easily score 20 out of this. And if you want to get through the cutoff, what is required is 135 out of 105, which is less than 30% itself. So it is very important that you improve your mathematics, and if you have any doubts, you can always contact us because we've already put the answers for the same. As I said, 2 answers were marked wrong, so you can just correct it up for yourself. Because then again, we tend to do it as early as possible, and we have these clerical mistakes that we have. So this would be an issue, but we will solve every question. We'll show you the proof of every question and help you go through it. If any other query, as I said, best of luck, contact us, and we'll also be telling you about the answer key for the same.